Think calisthenics is only for advanced athletes flipping around bars? Wrong. Today, I'll show you the top 5 beginner calisthenics exercises that can transform your body and strength anytime, anywhere. First, push-ups, the foundation of calisthenics. Don't just rush through them. Keep your body straight like a plank, chest to the ground, and push up strong. Progressions? Try incline push-ups for easier, or diamond push-ups for harder. Second, pull-ups. If you can't do one yet, don't worry. Start with negative pull-ups or use resistance bands. Pull-ups build your back and biceps like nothing else, giving you that superhero V shape. Third, dips. You can use parallel bars or even 2 chairs at home. Lower slow, push up hard. Dips strengthen chest, shoulders, and triceps, the muscles that make your upper body look powerful. Fourth, squats. Bodyweight squats are the king of lower body calisthenics. Once you master regular squats, try jump squats or pistol squats for explosive strength. And fifth, planks. Core stability is everything in calisthenics. Strong core equals strong control. Add variations like plank shoulder taps or side planks for a real burn. So there you have it, the top 5 calisthenics exercises every beginner should master. Challenge. Do 3 rounds of these moves, 30 seconds each, and feel the difference. No weights, no excuses. Train anywhere, train anytime, train like a hero. Be your own hero.